Yo, it's your boy BDK. All day, nigga. I rap my own shit now. I don't need nobody else's help. But I do love your support and the nurture that you give me to make my raps. Man, I'm like a cat, I got no lines. Try to knock me down, nice try, but I'm still wearing the crown. So I'm gonna mark another one on my list. Yeah, it's finally it. I'm like a baby cause I like my tits. Always eating grits, most of the time taking hits. Maybe someday finally take my famous trip. Now I'm mostly known for my crimes, occasionally doing time, or maybe even a lyrical rhyme. Mostly I wanna thank all you for wasting your time listening to my rhymes. Now I know that I was the guy that used to get picked on all the time and beat on until he was sorry he would walk home. Now I'm up, grown up on my own. Fuck yeah, I got a hard life, but I made my own. So I keep my stacks, fucking rolling paper bags. Even though I'm gonna die, I be living so fly. Got the high life, fucking half the things I dream about finally come true, even when I'm all about fuck making these ghetto ass raps on the Mac computer that the school gave me. So I know I'm doing right and I'm not gonna die, man. I'm gonna space my time out right, man. I'll be always gonna ride, die, ride till you die, fall till you fall, even though you only wrong, always going up. Half these people don't know I'm a Midwest boy. I fucking hit my dirt roads, keep it up, no. Even if the road's closed from all the snow that be falling on the ground, I be always up in time, always rhyme. And I know I'm gonna be drifting some corners tonight, even with if I don't got my license. I be doing what I want, flying 195 in a car that ain't mine. Fucking always right, and I know I'm gonna do fine. And when I drive down, I'm a freestyle. Now for you that don't know me, I'm BK all day. Fucking half these haters wanna play their stupid games, but I know I'm gonna bring fame to my name, even to my hometown that I'm around. Even people wanna hate, but I always bring them up high off the ground when I'm doing rhymes. Doing my time, I'll be rolling, I ball till I fall, even when I ride 9. Blowing up above, always hit cloud 9. Even on my kush, I be smoking, I be up in my trees, knowing I'ma do something that I'm me. And I'm going Siamese with my fucking cut. Yeah, I know I'm do what I want with that, and I know I'm gonna party for the rest of my life. Only live once, boy, yeah, that's my life. And I'm only gonna tell you one more time, I'm a Midwest rapper, hit my dirt roads, even if the road is closed from all the snow that's always on the ground. We always pound and we do what we want, do how we do. I'm BDK all day, me and my crew get down with the Black Ops 2. And we do all we do while we kill zombies too. Half you people wanna hate, but I do it anyway, just to bring up the clouds even for a highway. What you don't know is that I'm BDK, and me and my crew, we hang all day, and we gonna live our lives to the fullest. Do what we want, not have anyone control it.